All right, hey guys. Thanks so much for coming in. First off, I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving. Make sure you are staying safe, staying healthy. And obviously our lives are going to be a little different afterwards as we go back to remote. But the cool thing is that we've had a chance to get things started. And so what you guys are going to be doing after we get back from Thanksgiving is all of you guys are going to be going home with your own Lego kit. So make sure you indicate in the course schedule which kit you are taking with you, all right? Make sure you have the following resources in your kit. You have 2 big motors, 1 little motor, a touch sensor, a sonar sensor, and a light sensor. You might have a gyroscope sensor in there as well, but those are the main things that you need in your kit. Most of you guys will not have a charger for your brick. Those are being ordered and they should be here after Thanksgiving. So I apologize for that. Same thing with the wires to connect them to the computers themselves. Those are being ordered as well, and we should get them shortly after break. So I apologize for that, but here's my challenge for you guys for today. All right. So on the schedule, I've linked both what we did today, which is yesterday for you guys, for my A-Day groups. And what we're going to do is something called a Mars Rover Challenge. So you guys are going to come up with 3 challenges. And in the document that I shared with you guys, I have example challenges, but 3 challenges that you guys are going to try to have your Mars rover do. So you're going to build a Mars rover with your Lego kit that you're taking with you, and you're going to build a rover working area similar to the size of what our line follower area is. And within that, you're going to have 3 different challenges. So challenges could be examples of, moving something from one location to another, moving through an obstacle course, moving through a tunnel. Think about things that a Mars rover might do: collect soil samples, turn on different radio communication devices, dig up something. So we want to try to simulate that as best we can. In the past, we've done multiple challenges. I'm just going to limit you guys to just 3, but I want everyone in your class period to have a similar experience and similar challenges that they're trying to complete. So what I want you guys is, as a group, right? So as a big group, can you come up with an idea of what like your challenges might be? Okay. Be creative, be resourceful, but think about too, like you're going to be required to use things that you have at home. So everyone has different things. We're going to kind of keep it to a 2-dimensional field in terms of, we're not going up any ramps, or we're not going up any stairs or downstairs or anything like that. But what are some things that you could maybe try to have your Mars rover do? All right. In doing that, you guys are going to build multiple codes. You're not just going to have one code that runs, for everything that you do. You're going to build, maybe a soil sample code. You're going to build maybe a obstacle course code or a tunnel code, right? And so think about breaking your project into smaller pieces. And I know this might not be like completely clear of like what you're going to be trying to do. But on Monday, when we meet as a big group again, I will definitely try to walk through it with those people that are B-Day students, because I'm not going to be there with you. So it's going to take maybe a little bit more of an understanding once we get back. But the main goal you have to have a sense of is you have to have a sense that you guys are all going to have your own Lego kit. You're going to be required to code 3 different challenges and have your Mars rover try to complete those 3 different challenges, okay? You're also going to be provided tape, 1 blue roll of tape, painter's tape, as well as 1 color electrical tape, non-blue. And you're going to use those, and we're going to, as a group, come up with how those are going to be oriented to help you with guidance, right? So you're not going to follow the tape the entire way, but the tape can be used as orientation triggers. And I'll explain that more on Monday when we go through it a little bit more specifically. Okay. Again, you're going to be walking out with a Lego kit. However, your Lego kit will not be complete with a charger or a USB cord. But again, those are things we're going to be able to pick up shortly after break, right? In the schedule, what I've done is I've linked a document. I want you guys on that document to start editing it and start writing out what your challenges are going to be, and be specific, right? After your group discussion. You can look at A-Day's examples, right? So those are just examples. Those are still live documents that they're going to still edit, and but use those as examples of what you might be doing. Okay. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Doing the Mars rover. You guys are coming up with 3 challenges, and make them fun, make them exciting. Don't make them too difficult, but make them something that would be a fun challenge for you guys. You're going to take home a Lego kit. Mr. King should be there at the beginning of class to help with that. On the schedule, make sure you indicate on the spreadsheet which kit you are taking home. And anything that we really don't get right now, we're going to have a chance to get that ironed out on Monday after break. Right. So I apologize. I couldn't be there. Again, we're still figuring out, my son's school just got canceled. So we're staying home with that too. So, I hope you guys are well. I appreciate, the fun and the ingenuity and just the willingness to be flexible with things that you guys have had this first semester, and especially going into these last 3 weeks after Thanksgiving. It's been a great experience. I hope you guys are learning stuff. I'm definitely learning stuff. We'll see you on Monday. Thanks.